Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am excited to share with you a new product a newly launched product, TurboLists email marketing software. This is a game changer for anyone looking to build huge email lists that are 10x more engaged, cheaper, and profitable. And there is a free bonus for you in the end, so for that stay tuned till the end of this video. The first thing I want to mention is how easy it is to use. Even if you don't have any technical skills or experience with email marketing, you'll be able to set up your lists and campaigns in no time. The user-friendly interface makes it simple to navigate and customize your settings to fit your specific needs. Any of the standout features of TurboLists is its ability to build huge email lists quickly and efficiently. With its advanced targeting and segmentation options, you can reach the right audience for your campaigns, resulting in higher engagement and conversion rates. Let's see how you can build a huge, highly targeted turbo email lists. Is as easy as 3 simple steps. Step 1. Generate link. Enter your website/offer link, and hit generate to create your unique link. Step 2. Share and build. Anyone who clicks your link will be added to your TurboLists Plus choice of your autoresponder. Step 3. Profit 24x7. Automatically follow up with our DFY campaigns or send your own emails. Relax, sit back and profit. Not just that, you'll be able to follow up with your list over and over again and make sales on autopilot with our inbuilt autoresponder. You can see the kind of results our beta users are already getting. I know you also want results like this by doing email marketing. Also, you can make commissions like these every day continuously. You can check also those in official website link given in the description. You can see how easy it is to get started with TurboLists in this video on official website. TurboLists will do all of the following. Awesome features: it's a 100% cloud-based software. It will collect leads in just one click without an opt-in form. You can capture genuine buyers/subscribers. It going to automatically follow up with your leads and automatically sync leads to your desired autoresponder and many more. Now you can say, why TurboLists? Here are the major benefits you will get from TurboLists. Get an unfair advantage over your competition. With TurboLists, you will be able to quickly build a list of engaged buyers that are actually interested in what you have to offer. While your competition is stuck trying to get people to opt into their boring newsletters. Massive opportunity with this totally untapped and secret tech. Nobody is using this technology yet. Which means you have a massive opportunity to get in on the ground floor and start building your list with TurboLists right away. Turn any offer/link into a massive list building and sales machine. With TurboLists, you can quickly turn any offer into a list building and sales machine. Take any offer, page, or website link to create your unique TurboList link, share it with your audience and watch the leads and sales pour in. 10x more engaged subscribers and buyers. Because you are getting people's real email address from Facebook, Google, Twitter, Yahoo, etc., they are 10x more engaged and responsive than people who opt into a newsletter. And list goes on. I mean, why not TurboLists? Now TurboList has 10 bonus for you can check out those, like commercial license, how to scale with paid ads, success accelerator training, the unshakable super affiliate, influencer secrets, free Facebook traffic strategies, 100 autoresponder marketing emails, email marketing success, Twitter success, business amplified. These all bonus cost over $2,000 at a very cheap price. I would highly recommend this software for newbies and affiliate marketers who want to build a profitable email list fast with little effort and make a full-time income online. Bloggers and website owners who want to get more traffic and engagement from their visitors and subscribers. Email marketers who want to 10x their results by getting more high-quality leads and sales from their email list, social media marketers, product creators and info marketers. Local businesses and anyone who wants to make more money online. Now about the price. Today you can get access to TurboLists for a low one-time price of just $18, and if you use my link in description then you will get a free bonus from me, Max Impact Email Marketing, which help you to generate more leads. Just you have to do one thing. After purchasing from my link, you have sent me a screenshot on my Instagram, then I will provide you your free bonus. Overall, I highly recommend TurboLists email marketing software to anyone looking to build engaged and profitable email lists. It's easy to use, cost-effective, and offers a great opportunity for earning commissions. I hope you found this review helpful, and be sure to check out the link in the description to learn more about TurboLists FPR Instant $3 off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.